Ladies and gentlemen, we have officially made it out to the dunes. We got the old 6.7 chilling, Sand Limo, Can-Am, and the 6.0. Made it out, ready for the first ride. We got the boys cruising in right now. Gonna be a good weekend ahead of us. Here we go, baby. Got all the boys posted up. Bang, bang. About to load up. Let her rip again. Trev, how's the Can-Am, bro?
It's a nice machine right there.
Trevor approved. Can-Am is out here doing it like a mother. Look at her. Oh, yeah. Absolute beaut. Bang. Got all the rigs. Here we go, baby. Got a little grub going down right now. Hopefully we don't get in trouble for this music in the background, so I'm just gonna keep on talking. Our food looks so good. Shout out to Scott for the grill. We're eating good tonight, baby. Morning one. Let's go see what Trev's up to. Oh yeah, this is the setup this weekend. Got the table with some goodies, little air mattress, bang, bang. All right, I'm gonna go over there to get some coffee. First ride of the day. We got Trev in the back, Trey in the front. Bang, bang, let's roll. Post it up, baby. We got a lot of bodies out here. Bad news, garage guys down. Garage guys down. No! Look at that guy. So shameful. So shameful with the flat tire.
I can't believe he did this to us. Man, first gear brake.
Let's go check it out. Let's go see what he did. That ain't good.
No, it is good.
Why does this sight seem so familiar? Well, we made it back to camp. Baby's flat as hell.
Shout out to Valor Wheels, keeping that thing on the bead.
Tire may be popped, but one thing we're still good for is a cocktail station. Got some little party dip. Here we go. Well, unfortunately, we aren't gonna get any in the car Can-Am footage for you guys. Tried to get the tire repaired / replaced, but it's not gonna happen this trip. Saturday, we're just calling it quits. Car ran good. It was exciting. We're gonna have old Trevy boy drive the sand rail and see how he feels. Well, ladies and gentlemen, to the end of the trip, Saturday night.
We got some ice cold drinks, a toasty fire, a tire,
and a lot of cool shit around us. It was a hell of a weekend, and we will see you on the next one.